What's going on, everybody? My name is New Jack Joyner, Nujac, and I'm on here to have fun, to talk about some stuff that's coming up, and I'm your man. Whatever you want to talk about, I'm here. I'm here to help out the community. Here to talk about other things such as sports, the media, anything. This is my new channel. And my main thing is just getting as many subscribers as I can and to help out other people on here. That's my main goal. And I'm in school. I attend at Strayer University here in Charlotte, North Carolina. It's where I live. I'm a married man. Sorry, ladies. And I just got a lot going on for this year and the upcoming year, 2014. Tell your friends about this channel because I got a lot of things I'm going to do for the community. If you have a birthday, I'm going to post a question on my comment section. And if you get it right, I'm going to send you a gift card for all my subscribers. Make sure you subscribe first. Make sure you do that. Got a lot of things that I want to do for y'all. And y'all going to enjoy this channel. And my major in college is criminal justice because I'm a security officer for Sun States. And I like it. It's going well. I have a 3.2 GPA. And I also want to pursue my music career. Because like I said, I'm a local music artist here. And I also write songs also. And like I said, my songs are on Django Radio under my name, New Jack, Nujac. Just want to point that out. And anything else below the comment section you want me to talk about or whatever I could do to help your community out, just let me know and I try my best to help the community. If you need some advice, if you want something to talk about, just let me know. And I make sure I shoot you an email and I make sure I do the best I can to reach out to you. But other than that, this is my channel. This is New Jack TV. I'm a funny guy. I'm very mature. I love women. I have much respect for women, and I have much respect for men. And I don't choose no sides or whatever because I'm a mature gentleman. And just to let y'all know, to put that out there. And I'm not on here to disrespect nobody, to talk about this person and that person. I don't have time for all that. But I'm a mature guy, and I do music, and I work, and I go to school. And hopefully I have a lot of subscribers because we're going to have fun on this channel. Yes, we are. And I have a lot of things coming up for myself and for my subscribers. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Other than that, you can email me at fjoyner, FJOYNER 82 at gmail.com. And shoot me an email if you have any questions or anything y'all want to talk about. Just shoot me an email and I'll make sure that I'll respond. If I don't respond, you can cuss me out. I'm just kidding. Yeah, but other than that, this is my first video. Got a lot of things that I'm going to do. But until then, peace, love, and joy. And subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe because I have a lot of things that I want to do. For my fans, for my subscribers, for my family, all of the above. But until then, I'm going to close this video. And y'all have a good day. And I'll check y'all later. See ya.